What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am the Dino Lab, and welcome back to Jurassic World Evolution 3. In today's video, we are building 3 custom modulars for the workshop, so sit back and relax, and let's jump right in. For our first custom modular, I am starting to we're building a custom rest area, if you can call it. Just some benches and a roof over it, just a nice place to sit and relax. So let's jump right into the time lapse. As you can see right here, I got the main foundation of the rest area done, and right now, if I can, yes, I'm searching up the benches and lining them nicely up. You probably noticed here that I didn't use the gizmo as like the perfect rotation. I couldn't find it. I don't know how. I pressed F and it just didn't show up. I need help with someone or something, because sometimes shows up, sometimes doesn't, but it turned out fine. The poles were not perfectly straight, but hey, not everything is straight, right? Wait. Alright, so this is very basic. And very small. Why? Oh no. Is the size of a guest that will be hitting our heads? Wait, let me just Alright, now finally it's done. I really like the foliage all around, and people can just sit down and look at the empty landscape. Alright, so let's put this into the workshop and head on to blueprint number 2. I apologize for the first few minutes of the episode. I don't know why, but I was looking like this for some reason. I do not know why. I think I did something wrong with my settings. But anyways, I finished the tower. I didn't finish the top because it's weird to add rock there, right? Like if you add rocks right here, it would be a little weird, because why would there be rocks? Because there's a walkway. So maybe you would use this as maybe you could just place more plants here, but I don't know if I already did this on the workshop. Alright, and now for the grand finale, the Cretaceous Cruise. So what my plan right here is a nice little wooden building. There is the new DLC. I don't have it yet, but that would look so good on this. So I might just make this like a cave, like in Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. Um, or if I can find like the right pieces, I'm gonna make this little wooden lodge, a wooden bridge, and a little bigger lodge here. So let's get right started on it. This is my favorite part, even though I'm very sad that you can't see through windows. They really need to add that, because why can't we look through windows? Come on! Uh, I don't even know what happened here. I think I just I just couldn't select it again. But I finally did fix it, and windows in this game, they're confusing for me, because since they don't have like a real light behind them or you can see through them, makes it a little hard to make it seem real, because right now it just looks like a decal, which it's not. And I'm already on air duct, so I should stop talking. Why am I still talking? I know I'm still talking. Subscribe. It's the most boring part of every build, and it shows, because what does it add? Some depth? Well, I still don't like it. You know, I'm feeling pretty happy today. I know it's And just like that, our 3 custom modulars are officially done. The toilet doesn't count. I had to place it for the arrival point. Ah, so let's see. From the first to the last. So, the I should. Fun fact. Did you know that I'm a huge Five Nights at Freddy's fan? So, watch out. Maybe I'll post the FNAF video. We start off with the rest area, which is minimalistic. But that's my vibe a bit. I love a lot of wooden structures, but they don't really have it here except DLCs, which I'm not gonna buy. You heard me, I'm not gonna buy it. And I'm still proud of it. You can still place it nicely in the corner. Like if you got a big enclosure on the way, you can just sit down and relax, drink your very warm, your lukewarm soda, and then continue to the enclosure. Then we have the rocky zip line, and yes, it's a zip line. This is well really meant to be in place in like a cliff, and with the cliff you just enter it and dive up. You dive all over the enclosure. There's nothing really more I can say. I just added some plants all around, and it's hard because of you can't do buildings in buildings, but you can still like make some more custom rocks to integrate it into the mountain somehow. And now for the big final one, the Cretaceous Cruise. It's a big hit with the people. So just a simple building, some damage on the walls. This is for the fences. I don't know. I wish I could remove this. Some props here just to fill the space up. Right there are solar panels and some more kayaks. Cameras, of course. Jurassic World logo. A nice little canopy where you can stand under. Let's see. Can we ride it? Oh, oh my God! I am, I am in a kayak. In a kayak. Oh my God! This is so cool. Okay. What? I didn't know it worked like that. This is my first time ever doing this. Wait, can you go off track? Have you noticed that I'm completely mesmerized by some water physics? All right. I'll just speed it up. No, we cannot. But you can. He cannot. Alright, so that was it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you did. And in the next episode, I'm going to start my first ever park. Well, successful park, hopefully. And maybe even a Five Nights at Freddy's video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And subscribe!